Documentation is dead. The second you hit save on a README, it's already outdated. We've all been there. A new hire joins the team, and instead of shipping code, they spend 3 days hunting through a fragmented internal wiki that hasn't been updated since 2022. It's a productivity killer. And as a tech lead, it's your biggest bottleneck. I've spent years scaling engineering teams and managing massive, legacy code bases. I realized the problem isn't that we don't write documentation. It's that documentation is static, while code is fluid. That's why the most efficient teams in 2026 aren't writing more wikis. They're building custom AI agents. Today, I'm going to show you how to move beyond simple autocomplete. We're building a RAG-powered documentation agent using the OpenAI API, Pinecone, and LangChain to index your entire codebase and internal docs in real time. The goal: onboard new developers 2x faster and stop being the human encyclopedia for your team. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Your company wiki is where information goes to die. You spend 3 hours writing a perfect onboarding guide. You feel great. Then, a breaking change hits the API. A dependency is updated. Now, that guide isn't just useless, it's a lie. Here is the real cost. New hires don't trust the wiki because they know it's wrong. So, they do the only thing they can. They ping you, you're a tech lead. You should be architecting scalable systems and reviewing critical PRs. Instead, you've become a human search engine. You are answering the same 5 questions every single week for every single new developer. It's a vicious cycle. You're too busy to update the docs, so the docs stay outdated, which means more people interrupt your deep work to ask for help. This isn't a writing problem. It's a retrieval problem. The knowledge exists, it's buried in old Slack threads, random READMEs, and the heads of 2 senior devs who are currently on vacation. Your productivity isn't dying because your team is lazy. It's dying because your knowledge base is a graveyard. The solution isn't more documentation. It's a better way to access it. Stop trying to maintain a perfect wiki. It's a losing battle. Instead, you need a custom, AI-driven documentation agent. We're talking about moving from static pages to a dynamic knowledge engine, using a technique called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Here is how the most efficient tech leads are building this right now. Step 1, the data pipeline. Your knowledge isn't just in the README. It's buried in Slack threads, Jira tickets, and old PR comments. You use LangChain to build a pipeline that scrapes these sources. You aren't just copying text, you're capturing context. Step 2, the vector memory. You can't feed 10,000 pages of docs into a prompt. You'll hit a token limit and burn your budget. Instead, you use Pinecone. It's a vector database that turns your documentation into mathematical coordinates. When a new dev asks a question, the AI doesn't search for keywords. It searches for meaning. Step 3, the intelligence layer. Connect your vector store to the OpenAI API. Now, when a junior dev asks, "Why did we choose DynamoDB over PostgreSQL for the billing service?" the agent doesn't give a generic answer. It retrieves the specific architectural decision record from 2022 and summarizes it in seconds. Step 4, the interface. Don't make them leave their IDE. This is where tools like Cursor AI change the game. By indexing your local codebase and connecting it to your custom agent, the documentation lives where the code lives. Imagine a new hire's first day. Instead of a welcome doc that's 6 months out of date, they have a bot that knows every design decision your team ever made. They aren't pinging you every 10 minutes with, "Where is the API key for the staging env?" They're shipping code on day 1. That is how you 2x your onboarding speed. You stop writing docs and you start building a brain. Now, you can build this from scratch, but if you want to ship this by Friday, use the stack I use. I use Cursor AI for the development. It's the gold standard for AI integrated coding right now. For the brain, OpenAI's API is a no-brainer. But the secret sauce? Pinecone for your vector embeddings and LangChain to glue the logic together. The results? My team cut onboarding time in half. No more digging through 40-page Confluence docs. No more "where is the API key" pings in Slack. New devs are pushing production code on day 2, not day 10. If you're ready to stop maintaining dead wikis and start building systems that actually scale, check the links in the description for the tools I mentioned. Hit subscribe if you're a tech lead who values efficiency over bureaucracy. I'll see you in the next one.